Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. Begin by opening Messages app. Following that, click on one of your chats and tap on this icon with a camera and the photo located at the bottom left corner. Then click on while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. Now you can click on your photos right away over here or select Gallery section and pick them from here. When you finished, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!